Constable. This used to be called, this used to be called Mark Dofo back when I fucking hated Mona even more than I do now. Thanks everyone for coming so early, it means a lot. We actually have a really low capacity in this area, as in like, we're only allowed 50 people in this area, so I'll be doing head counts all the time. It's gonna be an honor system. If you see too many people in here, people are gonna have to get out into the front. We can legally fit 100 people in the front, 50 people in the back, alright? So just keep that in mind. I will be blocking people from coming in, and we will be keeping a head count, alright? I just need to make that very clear. Also, bathroom is through there, okay? Also, we will be bag searching everyone on the way in, not just the underages, but also the overages. So that's something else to keep in mind as well.
Hello.
Shout out, Fern. Alright, I'm gonna get off the mic, but this is sound disorientation. They're about to play. Fuck yeah.
Are we starting now, Scroll? Scroll? Just, hey, do what you did, y'all. Are we starting now?
Yeah, I can. Hi guys. This band's really cool, especially Camo Jacko here on guitar. Give him a round of applause, Camo Jacko. Chelsea here on drums. Give a round of applause for Chelsea. And my boyfriend Jack Carney on drums. I mean bass.
Look at the rainbow string! And white blood! have gotten the set list up first. This fucking big ups Legal Noise. I love you, Joel. Turn up a lot, Jack. I can barely hear you. Is that okay, Cyril? Yeah, I cannot hear him. I can hear this. This next one is about a weird fucking TikTok meme I saw. It's called Alright Lisa Rowe. It's named that one. It's of that one fucking rabbit. This one's got a little story time. Can I get a little... Ben put the cunt in a fucking pot and eat him for soup. Put him in the soup. Put him in the soup. Feed him one day blinding stew. Fucked up that last bit, but it's fine. This next one's the first one we wrote together. I'm speeding through these because I feel like I've written down much more than we have time. We got time? Okay. Thank you, Skrill. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, we played like so many songs.
We start bowling. Get down! Get down! Got the last part. We love you, Bobby Fletcher. He's our science teacher. Oh wait, we changed this part actually. So this next one is called Trees of Fern. This will be our second last song, and we might just try to ball afterwards. We can do some noise. We can do some noise.
Oi, Cant. Who the fuck is Fern?
Who the fuck is Fern? Fuck Fern, bro. Fuck Fern! No, I'm joking. Fern, up the homies, bro. Fern, we love Fern. Me and the homies love Fern. This one's called Trees of Fern, but it's not about them. They just think it is because they're self-absorbent. me spin my legs. You look at what I see, beauty on your face, making everything seem to let your eyes. If you feel it, let me cry. Part of me, heart that keeps trying to feel so close, yet so far. Take it to the moon, even we can see the stars. Because he's not here. We have Felix on bass. That's our bassist, Felix. Don't know if I ever really had a chance. What's the kind of the crowd is a revolution that we are strike upon this fucking planet. Justice, you are mercy for these fucking captives in Harvard. Justice, God! Justice, God! Justice, God! Justice, God! Will we ever be enough in this capitalistic society? Elon Musk has made $1 trillion off of people that do not want him to have $1 trillion. There is no reason to work. There is no reason for money. If we live off of compassion and peace. Burn the world to the ground. Society to the ground! Burn it all! Burn it all! How are we going for time?
You got time! You got time!
I got time.
Oh, fuck yes. Oh, hey guys.
No, keep going.
No, okay, I'll
Fuck off, Elliot.
Wait, 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
5 each, 5 each.
Wait, Chels. After this.
Can't say today!
Alright, get the fuck off for a second. New Scrams band on the New Scrams band on the block. We're called Vanitas. Alright, wait, let me get some lyrics up. What are we playing? you want to do Stations of the Cross? Yeah. Right for the left. He needs to. We're doing This is Vanitas. Surprise. It's me and Jack. Oh yeah. By the way, we were gonna just take the piss. We have Jack on bass instead of Felix because he fucked off into the mainland. Are you ready? This one's called Stations of the Cross. It's 1 minute long. Quick tuning sesh. This is like, as you can tell, 1 minute. Perfect. This is a minute long. Okay, you ready? Yeah. People two-stepping! Thank you, everyone. We've been Sound Disorientation and Vanitas. Chelsea, get back up here so I can credit you. Ooh, hello, Jack. I'm Cam on guitar and vocals. I make words out of my mouth. We usually have Felix on bass, but today we have Jack Carney from Gurm. No, he's the guitarist in Fern. And then we have Chelsea Harris on drums and guitar for a second. We've been Sound Dizzy, and that last bit was Vanitas. We're on Instagram. Thank you, everyone, for coming out. Have a wonderful rest of your night. Thank you, Skrill, for putting this on. We love you. We love you, Skrill.